Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The first time, this is Chat with Jola. Before we go into the video, kindly click on the subscription button while we enjoy this video. So if it's your first time, this is a budget-friendly makeup. If you are a beginner, you can get this makeup product in the UK very affordable. The first thing I had to use was the micellar water to clean my face for a proper base. I went in with a thick lip gloss just to moisturize my lips, and a simple moisturizer, very affordable. Endeavor to always moisturize your face, especially your under eyes, because you don't want that part to get dried all the time. It's very important to massage your face thoroughly to avoid, cakey makeup. Then I had to go in with the e.l.f. primer. As you can see, it sticks on the face. Just to remind you, the primer, do not apply it under your eyes. It's very important so it doesn't affect your makeup. Always dry your moisturizer and primer every step you do in your makeup. Endeavor to dry out properly for a flawless base. I went in with the e.l.f. soft satin glam. This satin glam is so affordable for beginners, and it is very lovely on the skin. So I went to using the beauty blender. Make sure my beauty blender is properly damped and soft to achieve a lovely makeup. Then I went in with the Revolution blush. Guys, I use majority of Revolution product in this video, and I love this palette. Oh my god. Make sure you apply your blush on top of the apple part of your cheek, as it's called, just on top, as you are seeing. Then you can see I'm using another Revolution concealer and contour palette. Guys, you can see these are affordable products if you are a beginner. You don't need to break banks to buy anything. Just go for your budget. That's a £2.50 concealer. That concealer dries really fast. I had to use the Studio London setting spray to set my face. I had to take my time to tap underneath my eyes, and I didn't know it was in my hair. So just tap gently underneath your eyes to get that, lovely coverage under your eyes. This was getting really dried, and the setting spray was able to give me that hydrating feel back. I had to top up with Revolution Honey Concealer just to give me a bit of a bright on the eyes as well. So guys, just watch the process and enjoy. What do you think about it? So you need to take your time while tapping your under eyes. It is very important to take your time tapping, because if you don't, under eyes creases fast, like it squeezes a lot. So you have to take your time to do that, and you set your face. I use the e.l.f. setting spray, very affordable for beginners as well. I just used it to set my face, to bring everything together. Remember, the e.l.f. setting spray makes your product, everything, to come together. In case you have like heavy makeup, it's going to make everything come together like a skin-like finishing. I went in with another Revolution set and bake powder. I mixed the two of them together to apply underneath my eyes as well. So whatever you're doing with your cream, if you're doing your concealer cream, always make sure you use the same method as well to apply your powder. You can either use a powder puff or a beauty blender. I had to use a beauty blender to, just to apply it all over my eyes if you are a beginner, because this is majorly for beginners, guys. I could do a detailed video. If you want a detailed video, you could leave that in the comment section, and please subscribe, right? So yes, as you can see, I'm applying it a bit. You have to, when it comes to setting, be gentle with setting. When it comes to baking, it's just going to get a bit heavy-handed, but not so much on your face. More like a little hand and a heavy hand, just to bake your face around. I had to puff my mouth to avoid that smile lines. Yes, so you need to puff to avoid the smile lines. Then I used my Makeup Academy Pro Base 182 and 170 to apply the powder on my face. Guys, these are affordable products. This is for the eye primer. If you want to apply, if you want to get your eye primer, Revolution eyeshadow palette. Guys, everything I use, just 80% Revolution product. Just few of Nigerian brands if you're a Nigerian, but others are budget friendly if you are in the UK. Okay, I used the orange shade there to just get something very simple on my eyes to apply with my hands. I didn't want to take much in this makeup. This blossom, guys, I was just saying, is something you can use like highlighter as well as your eyeshadow. You have to be creative with your shadow. Just look at it, guys. Just take a look at it. Yeah, look at it. So it's coming out really nice. I just wanted the orange shade to pop out. I wanted the orange shade to pop out on my eyes, and it was giving me what I wanted anyway. So guys, just keep watching and ask your question in the comment section. We go to the lip. I had to use the Omari Code lip liner. This liner It is what it says it is. Very affordable as well. If you're in the UK, I have this available for sale. You can send me a message and I'm going to attend to you. Just line your lips accordingly and don't exaggerate your lips, but line your lips and take your time. I had to use the classic lip stain to, oh, sorry. I had to spray my face. I had to bring the powder together before I went in with the application. So this looked a bit too orangey for me. I wasn't really feeling it, but I had to use another lip stain to put it together. Let me show you what I did. So I used the Blossom lip smock, and this was just this helped me to tone it down. You can see it gave that subtle feel. So your brush is going to help you blend together so it doesn't look too much. I'm a nude makeup artist. I love something nude and I love my glossy lip. So guys, you can see I'm just applying it around my lip region and just to give that smack. And I went in with my Rimmel bronze, applying it in my nose on top, just to show you guys. The aim of this video is just to show you products you can use, but you don't need to break a bank. Everything I use is Revolution makeup product. So guys, if you want more of this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll keep putting more makeup videos as well as reviews. Bye while you enjoy the makeup look.